In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Notion AI. If you prefer writing without AI prompts, need to meet compliance requirements, or simply want a cleaner workspace, I'll show you the simplest way to request that. Notion turns it off for your account or workspace. We'll do everything from within Notion's built-in help menu so you don't have to hunt through settings. Start by opening Notion on your desktop app or in a browser and make sure you're in the workspace you want to modify. If you're part of a team, it helps to be an admin or owner, since support may need confirmation that you're authorized to make this change. Look to the bottom left corner of the Notion window. You'll see a small help icon there, usually a question mark inside a circle. Click that to open the help panel. This panel is where you can find learning resources, report issues, and contact support directly from the app, which ensures your request is tied to the correct account and workspace. In the help panel, choose the option labeled Get Support. This opens a support flow, often a chat or contact form where you can submit your request. Using this entry point is important because it automatically associates your message with your current session, which speeds up verification on their end. When the support window appears, clearly state that you want Notion AI disabled. For example, you can say, "Please disable Notion AI for my workspace." If you manage multiple workspaces, include the exact workspace name to avoid confusion. It also helps to mention whether you want AI disabled for the entire workspace or just for your individual account, depending on your role and needs. Keep your message brief and direct. Support may confirm your permissions and the scope of the change before proceeding. After you send the request, watch for a confirmation from the support team. They may complete the change right away or provide a short timeline. Once you're notified it's done, refresh Notion or relaunch the app. You should notice that AI prompts and related features are no longer available. If you still see AI options after confirmation, try signing out and back in or clearing the app cache, then check again. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're part of a larger organization, coordinate with your workspace admin so the change is applied consistently. And if you ever change your mind, you can use the same support flow to request that Notion AI be re-enabled. That's it. Simple, clear, and handled through Notion support. Thanks for watching, and good luck streamlining your workspace.